Oriyomi, Naomi Shirekunla, the ex-wife of Oni of Ife, and the principal of the school, Islamic High School for Bashorun, they don't grant them bail.
The Oyo State High Court in Ibadan has granted the bail applications filed by the ex-wife of the Oni of Ife, Naomi Shikelua, owner of a prominent indigenous radio station, Agidigbo FM, Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat, and the principal of Islamic High School, Bashorun Abdullahi Fasasi. The ruling was pronounced by Justice Kamoruddin Olawoyin of the Oyo State High Court on Monday. Oriyomi was granted 10 million naira bail and required to provide 2 sureties. The court also ruled that his organization must not broadcast the news. The defendant argued their bail applications before the court last Tuesday, but the court later ruled that the defendant should be remanded in prison till Monday for a ruling on their bail application. Last Tuesday, the defense team made a case for bail, arguing that the accused didn't pose a flight risk and were willing to cooperate with the investigation. However, the Oyo State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Abiodun Aikomo strongly countered this motion, highlighting the seriousness of the charges and the need to ensure justice for the victims and their families. Adekunle Shoboluju San, counsel for one of the defendants, Hamzat Oriyomi, said, "Well, what we did was we filed an application that he should be admitted to bail pending arraignment, and the application was granted today. What we did was we filed an application that he should be admitted to bail pending arraignment, and the application was argued today. The court listened to all the various arguments, and the ruling was reserved till the 13th of January. So principally, we are saying that he ought to be admitted on bail based on certain grounds, which I would not want to expatiate on here." The defendants were arrested over the ill-fated children's festive party in December 2024, which claimed the lives of at least 35 children following a stampede at the Islamic High School, Bashorun, Ibadan. The Oyo State Governor, Seyi Makinde, has insisted that those involved in the stampede must face trial. He, however, added that he wasn't against the suspect being granted bail in the case.
All right, now still the High Court for Ibadan here. We still there, Oyo State High Court, West Dangirigba for Ring Road area of Ibadan. And earlier in the day when I first followed our talk, I tell them, I say today na the ruling of the bail application where the individuals where government, Oyo State government, hold accountable for the stampede where happened, where killed 35 children for December 18 for Oyo State. That sad event where happened. Now here the matter happened today. At the moment, as I follow our talk, the court 8, where Justice Olawoyin sit down on top, don't eventually give his own verdict about the matter, the bail application where the lawyers carry come. So last week Tuesday, and at the moment, I want to tell you, say the bail application where the 3 of them file, say make court grant them bail. The court we sit down here for Ibadan don't grant them bail at the moment. They don't grant them bail, and the conditions where courts give. The bail conditions we then give them, they say the 3 of them individually, they gas provide 2 surety in like some person where they prominent for Ibadan City, where we say he get landed property, and person where we say he gas put 10 million naira in bond in case they are applicants jumping, eventually show up when they call and show up for court. He gas put that 10 million naira in bond down, and also they don't tell them say Oriyomi or now Princess Abia or Queen Naomi Shikelua, the ex-queen of Oni of Ife, say none of them, and the principal of the school, the Islamic High School, with the Bashorun, they must not grant any interview concerning this matter until hearing is completed on top of this matter. So they don't tell them, they don't do that one, and then don't also tell them, say, may then stay clear of the media completely. May then just go as in they don't get any reason to follow media talk again. As if you see this place some minutes ago, as in people plenty. I seen some video enter some minutes ago where people they jump, they jubilate, say alas, they don't grant them person. They are especially Oriyomi Hamzat will be saying a very popular person for Ibadan. Way as a way home radio station Agidigbo, now one very grassroots radio station for Ibadan. You need to see people they are in fan, women, children, papa, young boy, young men, all of them gather here some minutes ago. They shout, they jump. Say alas, they don't grant them bail. But I must tell you, say, as the court, they carry process on as the process they go for here. The other, as in their matter too, they run simultaneously, as I tell you in the morning, say their matter say go they run simultaneously for magistrate court for Yagoku. We waiting we are down here, because I know they there. The waiting are down here, we say court eventually postpone their case to 27th of January for here, because the individuals where they involved in this matter will be saying that them hold the government hold responsible as in accountable for waiting don't happen. They no agree, they no eventually show for court. So their matter for magistrate court don't they postpone to 27. But with the waiting don't happen today, we court, high court, maybe say they senior pass down where they might away they will be down on a magistrate, where they superior don't grant them. You mean say then go their bill go they perfected according to one of the council we follow me talk some minutes ago, as in the that at the council to Oriyomi. I didn't talk say they go perfect their bill because they don't already get council, or they don't already get shorty already down, and the money we then talk say them put in bond that one a small thing, so then go perfect them today. So hopefully, as the lawyer talk say before the day runs out, then go down perfect their home bail conditions. So Oriyomi eventually go fit go house. Then the matter, as the magistrate call for 27th of January, go continue. Now the update was one given about that. Oriyomi, Naomi Shikeola, the ex-wife of Oni of Ife, and the principal of the school, Islamic High School for Bashorun, they don't grant them bail. So now to go on be that once they perfect their bail.